that property prices in India will continue to grow, but at a moderate rate than previously seen. But more importantly, housing affordability is likely to improve in the coming months. Here is how. Rating agencies and economists say that the RBI will cut repo rate by 25 basis points in June. The chances of this happening is high. इसके दो major reasons हैं. April में India's retail inflation slowed to 3.16%, at its lowest level since July 2019. साथ ही food inflation slowed to 1.78%, its lowest since October 2021. Because the RBI cuts or hikes the repo rate based on its inflation targets, a 25 BPS cut is highly possible in the month of June. Also, the RBI is expected to go for deeper cuts in its subsequent policy meets, cutting the repo rate by a cumulative of 100 basis points in 2025. This means those who invest in property this year will find home loans a lot more affordable. In line with this, mega developers continue to plan launches across India's key cities. मई के महीने में DLF, लोधा, रुनवाल, गोदरेज, पूर्वांकरा, सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल और शाहपुरजी पालनजी जैसे बड़े बिल्डर्स अपने प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च करने वाले हैं. These launches are mainly planned for Gurugram, Mumbai, Bengaluru and Pune. These offerings are meant to cater to high-income groups as well as investors. This could be gauged from the fact that most of these new launches are concentrated in emerging sub-markets with a huge potential for growth. क्योंकि लग्जरी प्रॉपर्टीज की डिमांड में भी काफ़ी उछाल देखा गया है, डेवलपर्स एस्टैब्लिश्ड लोकेशंस में भी नए प्रोजेक्ट्स लॉन्च करने वाले हैं. अब अगर कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस की बात करें तो 77% of these launches are 3 and 4 BHK homes. This signals a sustained demand for spacious homes with luxury amenities. Understandably then, these properties will cost you between 1.6 to 4 crore rupees. Meanwhile, in a move that would help future buyers in Gurugram and other parts of the state, the Haryana government has decided not to hike the circle rates. For context, circle rate is the minimum value below which property cannot be registered in government records. Typically, the state revises circle rates twice a year, and a hike was expected in April this year. This pro-buyer move comes as a great relief for those planning to buy a property in the Millennium City, where prices have risen in double digits in the past 1 year. Meanwhile, अपने एक recent judgment में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने दोहराया है कि एक जॉइंट फैमिली प्रॉपर्टी का जब पार्टीशन हो जाता है और वो लीगल एयर्स में डिवाइड हो जाती है, तब वो ओनर की सेल्फ अक्वायर्ड प्रॉपर्टी बन जाती है. For context, an undivided ancestral property offers you limited freedom, unlike self-acquired property. एक self-acquired property पर ओनर का absolute right होता है. This means you can sell the property, gift the property, or transfer the ownership of the property to anyone you please. जहाँ तक सवाल ancestral property का है, if the family property has not been formally partitioned, selling an individual share will require permission from other joint owners. Also, your children acquire a birthright in such a property and you are not legally free to dispose it off. This is all from us for this month. Follow us to keep yourself updated for all things real estate.